This is Kenzo, so welcome to my channel. Please, you can hit that subscribe button. Here I'm gonna analyze US30. So at the moment you can see the market is just going up. So we had a very nice resistance here, a simple resistance here. Then our market just broke that resistance. The market just broke this resistance. You can see the market went up, come down and retest. It also came here. Let me just increase this. This is our resistance zone actually, because you can see the market came here and retest even here. So this one we bought here, this one I missed it. So the market might not come here again, but you can see that the market created a very simple structure. So what do we do from here? From now on, what we can do, this is a 1 hour time frame. So what we can do is let's just draw a very nice a trend line. You can see the market is just going up. You can see the markets from here to there. So what do we do then? Go to your trend line, something like this. Sorry, go to your trend line and draw a trend line, because the market might not come this point again. So let's draw exactly. So let's just take it to here. You see, so you can see our market actually created a very nice uptrend. You can see this is a very nice uptrend. So actually now it means that we have to focus on a buy only. We will be because our market actually it's bullish. So what we can do now is to focus on the only buy opportunity. If the market comes this point and create a bullish candlesticks, then we're gonna buy. So that's very easy, guys. That's very easy. So don't complicate things and try to sell from this point, buy from this point and sell. No, the market doesn't work like that. So if you want to trade easily, don't go against the traffic. If maybe you can see the market is going there, is going to that direction, so just know that what you do now is you only buy. It's simple rule and people they don't follow that, but if you see structure like this, an uptrend like this, we understand that even if maybe you draw something like this, the market maybe when it touches there it comes down, when it touches here it comes down, even here it came down, but that doesn't mean you should just sell even everywhere, because this is an uptrend. So there is a chance that the market can just break this resistance, because it's not a very strong resistance. The one that we can rely on at the moment, it's our support, just because the market is going up. So it means we don't really care about this one, because the market can just create higher highs that they don't even follow this resistance line. So forget about that one. Throw the bottom one like this one, the support resistance like that. Then focus on placing your focus on the market to, let's just see, wait for the market to come here, something like this. And if maybe you bought, the market will just create something like this. And remember, it won't be as perfect as the line that I've drawn, but the market, if it's on a uptrend, obviously it will try to create something like this, but it will just go up and down so that it can confuse you to stay out of the market. So, or just because the market want wants you to lose. So the best thing that you can do is to stick to your rules, wait for the market to reach somewhere here, wait for the bullish candlesticks. Bullish candlesticks, you can see them. I when I want to buy, I go on a 15 minutes time frame. Then it's where I get my 15 the very nice bullish candle. Then it's where I can buy. But you won't get it here on the resistance, obviously. I mean on the support. You can see here, you won't get it here. The market will just come here. When it try to bounce, obviously you'll get it somewhere here, then it's where you buy. But here it's gonna be a very risky decision to take because the market can just drop, you see. So let's just go on a possibility for if maybe the market breaks this resistance. If the market breaks our resistance, obviously we are not going to buy sell from this point because our resistance still very close. You can see it's very close. You can't just sell here and close somewhere here because the market can just respect this point and shoot up again because we are still on a very strong uptrend. Let me go on a 4-hour. You can see that on a 4-hour, let me just okay, yeah, on a 4-hour you can see that we broke our resistance from this point. So this resistance is very strong because it started from back here. You can see that it started from somewhere here. Then let me just zoom out this thing. Let me take this one out. Then let me do this. You can see our resistance started somewhere there. So it's a very strong resistance. So if the market, I hope you can see this. I'm trying to zoom. So if the market maybe breaks this trend line and try to come here, so please don't sell because we have a very strong support here. So the market can just break and just bounce back. Something that happened here yesterday, you can see the market was going up. Maybe you didn't draw this line, but once it shoot down, don't sell just because the market it goes down. Then once it touches this point, you can see how the market was just running back. You can see just touched here, then just went back so very quickly, you see. So you don't have to be fall in that trap. So actually you can call it fake breakout, you see, just to blow your account. So the market did that. So even if maybe today the market if comes here, don't sell. You will wait for the market. You can sell when the market break this one. It's when you can sell. If the market will break, if it breaks this resistance, which is a strong support. Actually, it's no longer a resistance; it's a support. So if it breaks this support, then it's where we can think about selling. But at the moment we're still waiting. We are waiting for, actually we are waiting to buy. If it comes here, we will buy from here. If it comes back, we will do the same thing. You see, we will do the same thing. But when it breaks here, we will just relax and we will focus on this one. If it comes here, we can still have a good moment to buy from this point. But if that doesn't happen, it means we will be focusing on this one at the moment. The one which maybe is going to break here is just an idea that if the market does that, we should be ready. We should know what's going on because the market can just do something like this, break here. When it breaks here, don't get confused and think about selling because we already discussed about what can happen from this point. You don't forget about this point. That's why when you draw your resistance, please just leave them on your chart maybe for some time, unless if maybe it's a old resistance or support, then you can just remove them. But at the moment, this one is still recent, still fresh. This one is still fresh, so just leave it there. If the market just goes up, just leave it there until maybe when the market breaks here, then we will still rely on this one because it's still the new one. So thank you guys, don't forget to subscribe. So I hope maybe you understand what you are watching, what we are doing here. If maybe you don't understand, please check other videos, they relate, because I started from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday until today, so you can easily understand what's really going on here. So thank you guys. You can hit that subscribe button, and even tomorrow don't forget to come and check other videos that I'll be analyzing about US30 and the Nasdaq. So today we are waiting for the market to come this point. Maybe there will be an opportunity, then we can buy. Plus also don't forget to check CNBC to check what the analysts say about the market, whether it's gonna go up or down. Then combining those things with your analysis, they can make you a very good signal. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Bye.